In this objective question from the given option, they are insisting us to specify the correct ingredients of the given body fluid. For this, let me ignore the wrong option to specify the correct option. Human blood consists of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. The main component of the limb is interstitial fluid, which also contains varying amount of bacteria, cell, plasma, protein, lymphocyte, and other stuff. The liquid that left over the blood clot is serum. If we're talking about the plasma, the liquid that remains after adding an anticoagulant to stop clotting is called as plasma. With this specification, we are choosing option C as the correct answer. All other option A, B, and D we are ignoring, and we are choosing option C as the correct answer to secure 4 mark. Why we ignored option A, B, and D? Why? Because it is not specifying the correct ingredients of the body fluid. So we choose an option C as the correct answer to secure 4 mark.